Stop throwing stuff away when it breaks. My name's Christine, and today I'm going to show you how to save over $50 by repairing 3 simple household items that break pretty frequently. These first 2 fixes can be done easily with a hot glue gun. So break out your hot glue, plug your glue gun in, and wait just a few short minutes for your glue to heat up. Hot glue guns are super easy to use, and they can fix a lot of different things that break around your day-to-day life. All you have to do is make sure you avoid touching that metal tip with your fingers. And once your glue gun is nice and heated up, you're ready to start fixing things. Start with an easy project, like fixing an eyeglasses case where the glue has come unstuck. Spread your hot glue liberally around the area where the glue used to be stuck. Then finger press your case back together. And you can even blow on hot glue for a few seconds to help it dry faster. But the best thing about hot glue is it takes less than 30 seconds to dry. So it takes less than 30 seconds for your quick fix to be fixed. And you're saving a good $5 to $10 just by hot gluing your glasses case back together. And for all you cat lovers out there, I also have a fix for a broken cat scratch post. You can reliably and affordably replace the rope on a cat scratching post using hemp rope. And you can even get away with hot gluing the existing rope back on for a few months like I did with the top portion of this tower. To replace the rope on a cat scratching post, remove the existing rope that is damaged. Then take any rope that is still in good condition and wind it back around your cat tower and secure it in place with some hot glue. Since most cats only scratch the top portion of a cat scratch post, you're most likely going to be able to salvage the lower half of your rope. Then secure your new hemp rope to the top of your cat scratch post, either using hot glue or tying it in place. You can also use a staple gun, but I don't have one of those. Carefully wind your rope around your cat post, making sure your coils are nice and tight. Tuck the last coil in tightly with a little string of hot glue and snip your ends. And you just saved $15 to $30 repairing a cat scratching post. I purchased this roll of hemp rope for $5 and I only used half of it. So I'm even going to be able to use the rest to repair this cat tower again, or I can use it on a different one. And the last simple repair project I have for you today is fixing a rip in a pair of shorts. In the past, I've shown you how to add a patch to a pair of shorts or pants, but today I'm going to show you how to darn a tear in your shorts. If you have a clean rip in your shorts that follows the straight and cross grains of your fabric, then you can darn it rather than using a patch. So pick a matching or darker thread, some basic hand sewing supplies, and a sturdy fabric to stabilize the inside of your shorts. Pin your shorts to the stabilizing fabric, lining up the edges of your tear. Hand sew a simple running stitch or back stitch all along the edge of your tear. You can either leave or remove your pins at this step. Starting a 1/4 inch above your tear, create a wide stitch perpendicular to your tear. Use your running or back stitch as the guide for your stitch width. Repeat this stitch as tightly together as possible all along your tear. Overlap a 1/4 inch at the end of your seam as well, and your total seam will look a little bit like a fuzzy caterpillar. And you're welcome to trim your inside stabilizing patch. Just make sure you leave a little extra for seam allowance in case it frays. And you just saved $30 to $50 repairing those shorts rather than throwing them out and replacing them. So overall, you're gonna save over $50 by repairing just 3 simple household items that break pretty frequently. But saving money isn't the only benefit you're gonna get from fixing stuff rather than throwing it out when it breaks. Even though it does take some time to repair stuff when it breaks, you're still going to save time by fixing stuff rather than going to a store and shopping around for a new item to replace it. You will also free up a ton of clutter that your broken stuff is taking up, and you will be more sustainable in the process. And don't forget the mental energy you're going to clear up by decluttering and the self-esteem boost you're going to get from being able to say, I fixed that. So the next time something breaks, try to think about an easy way to fix it before going out and replacing the whole thing altogether. And if you decided something is too broken to be able to fix, then you can always upcycle it into something else that will be more useful. If you're interested in more repair and upcycling projects, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I love repairing and upcycling stuff. Please leave a like on this video if you haven't already, and let me know down in the comments below if you have any other quick fixes that saved you a ton of money. Thank you for watching my video today, everyone. I'll see you guys next week. Yeah. Oh. Such a good baby. Barely ever got footage of him just being sweet. Hey, you. What you doing, Cujo? We love you. Oh, you're such a good boy.